Who wouldn't love Orm? She's like the beauty of a sleepy, puppy yawning, just pure softness and adorableness.